What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and I've got another video lined up for you. And today is a super exciting day. Super exciting day because guess what finally came in the mail after I thought that they were going to end up canceling my order because they were so backlogged, so far behind. It's going to be a special case review for y'all today. You already saw the headline, so you know what it is. It's going to be that ghost case from D brand. Unboxing experience, let you know how it feels in hand, and some of my first impressions with it, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. We'll bring in the old samurai sword into shot right here. Oh yeah, right there. Okay, get that samurai sword. I gotta be really careful because this thing is super sharp. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and get this open. So sliding it out. Ooh, okay. Very nice box right here. Okay, so I will tell you right off the bat, this is different than D brand's typical packaging. Okay, very nice. We got something that it's got some recess. I'm gonna bring it in and see if you can pick it up on camera. But on the case it says Ghost Cased, and the lettering is wrapped around the side of the case right here. So see, it says Ghost Case. Hopefully the camera is doing it justice and picking it up, okay? And then you've got your D brand logo on the side right there, again embossed into there. And it tells us right here, 15 Pro Max is embossed in there as well. From the side, it just pulls open right here. Get this over to the side, that outer shell, and here it is in all of its glory. This is going to be the Ghost Case from D brand. Okay, so first impression, I love the presentation of the case. Oh, I just noticed something on there. If you look on the bottom of the outer shell right here, again, you probably can't pick it up too well on camera. Try to get it there, but there's like a little ghost emblem right here in the bottom left hand corner. Okay, so bottom left hand corner has a ghost emblem. All right, so now let's go ahead and pull this out of the inside. Okay, oh, pops right out. Oh, it has a soft little cushion on the inside of the box, but I'm getting too excited about just the box, not even the case. All right, so first thing, this thing is super light, y'all. It is very lightweight. So I know some of the joking that they say is right, it's light as a ghost. So again, some more of those ghost little emblems on the back with the protective film right here. Then let's talk about, again, the outside before we get on the phone. So along the ridge of the outside of the phone, you have this kind of hard plastic feeling. So this is going to be something that helps you get a really good grip on the phone. So good solid grip on there. Then on the very bottom, you do have the accurate cutout. So accurate cutout for the speaker, microphone, the USB-C on the bottom. That ridge continues along the other side of the case over to our volume down and volume up button. And we've got a little mock button for or mock cover for the action button as well. Okay, then flipping it over on the back, you do have that raised lip for the camera. And man, this is really cool. I wish this actually was part of the case, but it's not. It's just a protective film. So let me go ahead and take off this protective film. And without further ado, yeah, we're just gonna slap the phone in here and see how this thing looks and see how hard it is. Okay, so we'll put that right down there. All right, I had to put on my white gloves for this next part because, you know, we got to give it that white glove treatment. I want the case, or I want the phone to go into the case with minimal fingerprints. So don't be clowning on me in the comments. This is just what I do. I'm super OCD about fingerprints. So, all right, so bringing the case over, we're gonna go ahead and, I'm not really sure. I haven't looked at any instructions, so just bring the case, bring the phone, starting at the top, slide it in, pretty satisfactory little pop in there. And there it is. There's the phone in the case, natural titanium. Okay, popped on pretty easy, but I would say something that's different right off the bat. Like, what do I notice right away? So D-Brand did something different because of how low profile and how thin they made this case. They put the MagSafe magnets on the outside of the case. So I'm kind of curious how that's going to hold up with time. But it actually has like a clear protective cover over the MagSafe for the outside. So magnets on the out, clear protective case, or clear protective coating on it. So it goes in a kind of question mark kind of way. Let's see here. So the camera lip, as you can see right there, it's got a pretty good level of a raise to it, so it's not flush. Then again, that ridge around there, I'm kind of curious how over time that will pick up body oils, but you got the ridge that goes around the phone. Top view. This is different. There are no phones that look like this, or there's no cases that look like this style. So kudos to them right there for being a differentiator. So again, accurate cutouts on the bottom. It's microphone, USB, speaker. And coming around the rest of the side to the volume up and volume down button. And then the covered action button at the top. So I'm going to tell y'all, let's bring it in, see if you can hear it. Ooh, I really like it. So it has a very tactile feel on the action button. Volume up, volume down, very satisfying. Let's bring it over to the power. Dang, they knocked it out of the park with that for sure. So all the buttons have really good tactile feel. At the very top, you do have a cutout where your speaker's at, so that is done very well. It's kind of like it got a glossy finish on the hard plastic, where it's that front lip. So looks like it is an even lip all the way over around the top, so it's even lip. And I've got a tempered glass screen protector, and it's got a pretty good amount of lip left. So when you're putting this down on a flat surface like that, you don't have to worry about it messing with your screen protector. So I would say the only concern I'd probably have is over time, the clear part of it picking up scratches, but you know how that goes, right? That's going to happen with any clear case. Again, good raised lip portion around the cameras. But other than that, this is a really nice case. I am glad I waited on this one, or I'm glad that I pre-ordered it, even though I had to wait over a month to get it. It is a very, very nice case, especially for clear case. So we'll see with time how well this never yellowing guarantee holds up. So I will be keeping receipts and letting them know if I start to see it yellow to give me a free replacement. But other than that, y'all, thank you for stopping by. Hopefully I answered or anticipated all the questions that you might have when it comes to this case. Let me know in the comments, will you be picking one up from D-Brand? All right, yeah, have a good day. And let's roll the outro. As always, folks, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm continuing to grow. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great week, great weekend. See you on the next one.